Imagine a tiny kingdom high in the Himalayas, Sikkim. Here, green valleys, snowy peaks, and singing rivers create a breathtaking landscape. The air is pure, flowers vibrant, and prayer flags flutter, spreading peace. Kanchenjunga, the world's third highest mountain, stands as a sacred guardian. Waterfalls cascade down hillsides, and the Tiesta River winds through the valleys. Clouds play with the mountains, and every view feels magical. The peace here lets you slow down and feel the gentle mountain breeze. Sikkim's wonders remind you that the simplest things are often the most precious. Sikkim is a storybook come to life, waiting for you to turn the page. Next, we visit Lachung, a village nestled in a deep valley surrounded by snowy mountains. The Lachung River sparkles through the village, and wooden houses with colorful windows line the streets. In spring, rhododendrons bloom everywhere, turning the valley into a giant garden. The Lachungpa people are warm and welcoming, living simply and close to nature. Local food is fresh and delicious. Try momos, thukpa, and butter tea. Life here moves gently. People rise with the sun and gather by the fire at night. The beautiful Lachung Monastery offers a peaceful retreat. In Lachung, you discover the true heart of Sikkim. Our journey continues to Lachen, meaning Big Pass, perched even higher in the mountains. Lachen feels wild and remote, surrounded by pine forests and the rushing Lachen River. The Lachen Pass, once nomadic yak herders, now blend tradition with village life, guided by their unique Zumsa system. Lachen is the gateway to adventure. Treks to Gurudongmar Lake and Chopta Valley begin here. In winter, snow blankets the village. In summer, alpine flowers bloom. The silence is profound, broken only by wind and birdsong. The Lachen Monastery stands at the village's heart, hosting vibrant festivals and yak races. Villagers celebrate with music, dance, and feasting, keeping ancient customs alive. Staying in Lachen offers a glimpse into a life deeply connected to the land. Here, nature's grandeur humbles you, and tradition shapes every day. Lachen is a world apart, challenging, beautiful, and unforgettable. The road from Lachen to Gurudongmar Lake is a true Himalayan adventure. Winding higher and higher, the path clings to mountain slopes, with deep valleys below. Military checkpoints remind you how remote and special this region is. As you ascend, forests fade, replaced by rocky high-altitude desert and a sky of deep blue. The air grows thin and cold. You bundle up and marvel at the stark beauty. Yaks graze on sparse grass, and blue sheep blend into the rocks. Snow patches linger even in summer, and every turn reveals new, breathtaking vistas. The final stretch crosses a vast plateau, silent, empty, and immense. The mountains loom like white sentinels against the sky. The only sounds are wind and your own heartbeat. Anticipation builds as you near the legendary lake. This journey is about more than a destination. It's about the raw power and beauty of the Himalayas. Every mile is a memory. At last, Gurudongmar Lake appears, a jewel set among barren, snow-dusted peaks. At over 17,800 feet, it's one of the world's highest lakes, its waters shimmering emerald and turquoise. The lake's surface mirrors the sky and mountains, creating a scene of perfect stillness. The air is thin and cold, but the sun is strong. You move slowly, savoring the moment. Prayer flags flutter, sending wishes of peace across the water. The atmosphere is deeply spiritual. Buddhists and Sikhs alike consider the lake sacred. Legend says Guru Padmasambhava blessed the lake, leaving a spot that never freezes. A small temple stands nearby, inviting quiet reflection. Standing at the shore, you feel awe and gratitude for nature's wonders. The silence, colors, and spiritual energy create a memory you'll never forget. Gurudongmar is where heaven and earth meet. It's a place that stays with you long after you leave. Sikkim's high mountains are home to rare plants and animals, each adapted to the harsh climate. Alpine meadows bloom with Brahma Kamal and tiny wildflowers, adding color to the rugged land. Yaks roam the slopes, providing transport, milk and wool for the people. Blue sheep graze on rocky hills, and if you're lucky, you might glimpse a red panda, or even a snow leopard. The people here live in harmony with nature, guided by centuries-old traditions and Tibetan Buddhist beliefs. Monasteries, prayer wheels and fluttering flags reflect their deep spirituality. They take only what they need and give back to the land, practicing true sustainability. Their respect for the mountains, rivers and forests is woven into daily life. Sikkim's culture teaches us the importance of balance and interconnectedness. Here, nature is not just scenery, it's a living presence, honored and protected. The lessons of Sikkim are simple. Live gently, respect the earth, and cherish what you have. It's a way of life the world can learn from. Sikkim's magic lies in its blend of stunning landscapes and the warmth of its people. Every mountain and smile tells a story, and every journey here touches your soul. You leave with more than photos. You carry peace and wonder in your heart. Sikkim inspires you to slow down, appreciate simple joys, and reconnect with nature. The resilience and joy of its people are humbling. Their traditions and community, a lesson for us all. This fragile paradise deserves our respect and care. When you visit, be a good guest. Honor the land and its culture. Sikkim is not just a destination. It's a place for reflection, learning, and inspiration. Its beauty and spirit stay with you long after you've left the mountains behind. Sikkim is a little piece of heaven, an invitation to discover the world's quiet wonders.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.